Okay, so now we've got a tau decay here. A tau minus is -1. That's -1, +1, 0. So let's look at charge. Does -1 equal -1? Yes. Charge works. Okay, let's look at the electron number. No electron numbers. Let's look at the muon number. No muons. Okay. Let's look at the tau number here. Let's see. L tau is +1. And then these are mesons, so they don't have a tau number. And then this is +1, right? So this works. Let's look at mass energy. So this guy, the tau is 1777. That was a good year, right? Is that right? That's right, yeah. And then that's turning into the pi minus is it's what, 140. 140. Pi plus is also 140. The pi plus, by the way, the positive pion is the matter pion. So we can do this all day, right? Definitely these things would have kinetic energy, so it's not a problem to lose rest mass. So yes, it occurs.